If apps started crashing after the iOS 27 update, use this order. Update the app first, rebuild stale app files, then restart and test. Open App Store, tap your profile picture, then install the update for the crashing app. If several updates are waiting, use Update All. After the update finishes, open the app once and try the screen that crashed. If it still quits, move to the storage cleanup step. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, choose the crashing app, and tap Offload app. This keeps documents and data while removing the app. When offload completes, tap Reinstall app. Wait for the icon to finish downloading, then launch the app and test the same action again. If the app opens but fails in one feature, check its permissions. Confirm camera, photos, location, background app refresh, and cellular data as needed. Swipe up from the bottom, close the crashing app, then restart the iPhone. Open only that app first and test it before reopening everything else. If there is no app update, Offload did not help, and a fresh install still crashes, it is likely a developer compatibility bug. Scan the guide for the full checklist